I don't know. Seems like I'm destined to be alone.
I've been out there, Heather, living and surviving on my own. It's a lonely, desolate existence.
You don't have to tell me.
Always remember, you are berserkers. It's in your blood.
Wait a minute. You're searching for our father?
We'll only succeed if we do it together as a family. Just think about it. It's time to go home, sis.
Time alone can't save you, if that's what you're waiting for. It's the end of all your battles.
Good day.
As you're walking out the
Dagur.
I said good day.
and you wear that face so bravely, and gather up your clothes, and you say you have to go. Whoa, whoa. And you say you have to go. Whoa, whoa. But time alone can waste you, if it's where you place your hope. And with all my uphill struggles, well, how long could you go? And you wear that face so bravely, and stand out in the rain. But honey, I take all the blame. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I take all the blame. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa.
Heather, I'm the only family you've got left. Join me, sister. Don't fight destiny.
I have to follow my destiny. Dagur is my brother. I trust him with my life. You'll regret that. Oh, please, drop the act.
But I am trying to change, sister.
You think my brother sacrificed himself? Not with his ego.
Just never heard you call Dagur brother before.
Well, time they say he can heal you, though that's harder to believe. When you meet the broken-hearted and see what it meant to leave. And with all my misconceptions of what it takes to change, I guess I'll end up just the same. Whoa, whoa.
He was stranded,
Guess I'll
Hiccup.
end up just the same. Whoa, whoa.
He set me adrift as a child. He killed our father for Thor's sake. He tried to kill each of us multiple times.
I don't know how you'll ever forgive me, Heather, but not a day goes by that I don't wish I could take that back. That's what you call a berserker battle cry. It comes from deep within, understand?
I think maybe we should try it my brother's way. Yeah! We did it!
Now that is berserker style! I love you, sis! Please don't get killed, Heather. I like having a sister. I only hope you and Heather can find the same peace that I have here in Vanaheim. And perhaps in Valhalla.
We found Oswald.
At least she can put it behind her.
Let's hope.